A good meat slicer makes food preparation faster, easier, and more precise. The best meat slicers offer powerful motors, sharp blades, adjustable thickness, and durable designs for slicing meat, cheese, bread, and more. In this guide, we review the top 3 best meat slicers for convenient and professional quality cutting at home. Number 3. CUSIMAX Electric Meat Slicer. The CUSIMAX Electric Meat Slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for slicing meat, cheese, bread, and vegetables with precision and ease. Equipped with a powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blade, it delivers smooth and consistent cuts for home use. The adjustable thickness control allows users to customize slices from thin deli cuts to thicker portions, making it ideal for a variety of foods. Its compact design fits easily on kitchen counters without taking up too much space. Safety features like non-slip feet and blade guards improve stability and protection during operation. Easy to clean and simple to use. The CUSIMAX Meat Slicer is a practical choice for preparing fresh and evenly sliced foods at home. Number 2. Borlebbi Meat Slicer. The Borlebbi Meat Slicer is a durable and efficient slicing machine built for home kitchens and light commercial use. Featuring a powerful motor and precision stainless steel blade, it provides clean and accurate slices of meat, cheese, bread, and more. The adjustable thickness dial offers flexibility, allowing users to create slices according to their cooking needs. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the compact design makes storage and countertop placement convenient. The removable blade and food carriage make cleaning much easier after use. Safety is enhanced with stable suction feet and protective features for secure operation. The Borlebbi Meat Slicer is an excellent option for anyone looking for professional style slicing performance at home. Number 1. BESWOOD 10 Electric Deli Meat Slicer. The BESWOOD 10 Electric Deli Meat Slicer is a premium-grade slicing machine designed for high performance and professional results. Powered by a strong motor and equipped with a large chromium-plated steel blade, it slices meat, cheese, vegetables, and deli products with exceptional precision. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction provides outstanding durability and stability during operation. The adjustable thickness control allows users to create ultra-thin deli slices or thicker cuts with ease. Built for both home and commercial use, it offers smooth, quiet performance and consistent results. Safety features and easy clean components make it practical for regular use. Combining power, durability, and precision, the BESWOOD Meat Slicer is a top choice for serious kitchen enthusiasts.